Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make some potato and mushroom pierogies. So I've already boiled my potatoes. They're in the colander cooling, and I'll show you them later. And right now I'm going to fry up about half a large onion. I've got a little bit of butter in the pan. I've cut my onion fairly small pieces. Not a full dice, but relatively small pieces. I want to cook them until they are translucent. So this will take a few minutes and I'll be back when they're done. Okay, I'm back. The onions are fairly translucent. They have a little bit of color on them. So I'm going to transfer those into a bowl. Set that aside to cool. Add a little more butter to the pan. And here I have 8 ounces of mushrooms that I sliced. And I'm using button mushrooms and portobellos. You can use any kind of mushroom you want. So I'm going to cook these until they're soft. And I'll be back when they're done. In this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, one large egg, I have a cup of lukewarm water here. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And begin mixing this together. At some point you're going to have to get your hands in there in order to get it fully incorporated. So I'll start doing that. water. And the recipe actually calls for 2.5 cups of flour. Start out with 1 cup and add flour and water as you go along. Knead the flour into the dough. That's not bad consistency. So I'm going to tear the dough in half. And I'm going to wrap each half in plastic wrap. and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then I'll be back in to finish the recipe, and I'll see you then. Okay, I'm back, and I have a small piece of dough on a piece of floured wax paper. Lightly floured the dough. I'm going to start rolling it out. And I want the dough fairly thin. I've got a roughly 2-inch diameter diameter glass, and I'm going to use it to cut my pierogies. I've got a cup of water here. I'm going to lightly moisten the edge of my dough. I'm going to take a small amount of the mixture place it on the dough. Fold it over, tuck it in, push down the sides, and with a fork I'm going to lightly crimp it. Place it on this slightly floured baking sheet until I have them all rolled. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, I'm back. I'm still rolling them. I cut this. I'm going to stretch it a little bit. Dampen the sides. Put my dollop of filling in the center. And pull it over to crimp it. You want to make sure you don't tear it, otherwise your filling will come out. And when you crimp it with the fork, get the very edge of it, because you don't want your filling to tear, so the filling will come out. And I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have all the pierogies stuffed. I got a big old tray of them sitting right here. And I have to be honest, I have to adjust the recipe in the description because I had to make another batch of dough. I've got a pot of water here that's starting to boil. So I'm going to drop my pierogies into the pot. I'm going to do just 6 of them at a time. Oh, I could do more than that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's good. I got a dozen of them in this pot of water. I'm going to let them cook for about 3 minutes, then put them on a plate. And as they cool down, I'm going to bag them up in 3s because that's what I eat, and freeze them. But I'm going to save a few at the end to eat. And I'll be back when these are all cooked. Okay, I'm back. I've got 60 pierogies bagged up and put in the freezer. I've got some butter in the skillet. I'm going to put these pierogies in here and brown them up a little bit. And once the pierogies have a little bit of a crust on them, a brown, then they'll be ready to serve. So this will take a couple minutes, and I'll be back when they're done. Well, I don't know what I'm doing today, but anyways, pierogies are done. Got a little sour cream. So now it's time to taste them. Excuse me. Very good. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you'll give the recipe a try. Sorry about the mistake on the dough, but I've corrected it in the description below. And if you like this and you enjoyed watching it, please give me please subscribe. Here's my pierogies with a little sour cream on it. And thank you for watching. Bye.